Welcome to our video on the incredible breakthrough in brain-machine interface technology, Neuralink. Founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk, Neuralink is a cutting-edge company that is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible when it comes to brain-computer communication. Today, we'll be discussing one of their latest experiments which involved testing a wireless device implanted in the brains of monkeys. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of Neuralink. The San Francisco company Neuralink, owned by Elon Musk, has been working on a chip that can be implanted in the human brain and linked to a computer. This chip will monitor and potentially stimulate brain activity. For this, the biotech company has been carrying several tests on monkeys. However, Musk's Neuralink has been accused of subjecting its monkeys to illegal mistreatment and extreme suffering during chip implant tests. An animal rights group, Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, has submitted an official complaint with the US Department of Agriculture on Thursday, where they have claimed that monkeys experiences extreme suffering as a result to inadequate animal care and the highly invasive experimental head implants during the experiments, Business Insider reported. PCRM also claimed that out of 23 monkeys owned by Neuralink, only 7 survived the tests and were transferred to AN. If you are interested in learning more about the fascinating world of neuroscience and the latest developments in brain-computer interfaces, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos. In December last year, Musk had said that Neuralink will soon start testing on humans by 2021. Musk, who is quite famous for speaking up on the advancement on technologies and its usage in helping reach tech-fueled future, is also a founder of Tesla Incorporation, Boring Co., and SpaceX, apart from Neuralink. In April last year, Neuralink claimed monkeys can play Pong, a computer game, using just their minds when it released a video of Pager, a male macaque, moving a cursor on screen without using a joystick to do so. The company said this was achieved after the Neuralink chip fed the information from the monkey's neurons into a decoder, which was then used to predict Pager's intended hand movements, allowing the output from the decoder to be used to move the cursor instead of Pager manipulating the joystick. The wireless devices were implanted in the motor cortex, the part of the brain responsible for controlling movement. This allowed the monkeys to control the cursor with their thoughts, using the same neurons they would use to move their arms or hands. The statement by Neuralink comes after the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, a US nonprofit that advocates alternatives to animal testing, sent a letter to the US Department of Agriculture, USDA, referencing violations and requesting an investigation into what it called apparent egregious violations of the Animal Welfare Act related to the treatment of monkeys used in invasive brain experiments. The document says the experiments were carried out pursuant to contractual agreements between UC Davis and Neuralink. In the letter, which spans more than 700 pages, the Physicians Committee said records it obtained for the 23 monkeys used in the experiments reflect a pattern of extreme suffering and staff negligence. The committee said that the letter to the USDA is based on nearly 600 pages of what it calls disturbing documents released after the committee filed an initial public records lawsuit in 2021. The Physicians Committee said in a press release on February 10th that UC Davis received more than $1.4 million in funding from Neuralink to carry out the experiments on the macaque monkeys. On February 10th, the Physicians Committee says they filed a second public records lawsuit to compel the university to release videos and photographs of the monkeys. Neuralink is not part of the lawsuit. In the lawsuit, the committee alleges that staff at the university removed pieces of the skulls of rhesus macaque monkeys and inserted electrodes into the animals' brains. The lawsuit alleges that monkeys were not provided with adequate veterinary care and that an unapproved substance known as bioglue killed monkeys by destroying portions of their brains. In Neuralink's blog, the company said that there was one surgical complication involving the use of the FDA-approved product, BioGlue, and the monkey was euthanized. In the lawsuit, the committee further alleges that the University of California has declined to release photos and videos of the experiments, saying the records belong to Neuralink, a private company not subject to California's Public Records Act. Overall, the results of the study are very promising and demonstrate the potential for brain-machine interfaces to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. While the technology is still in its early stages, the implications for the future are enormous. Thank you for tuning in to watch this video about the recent Neuralink test on monkeys. The experiment involved implanting a wireless chip in the brain of a monkey which allowed it to control a computer cursor using only its thoughts. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on this exciting topic.